1. Recognize the 5 tenets of global citizenship and the 9 elements of digital citizenship. Number 2. Compare and contrast one roles as a citizens of community and that of digital world. Number 3. Share way on how one can observe social, ethical, and legal responsibilities in the use of technology tools and resources. So global citizenship and digital citizenship are two emerging citizenship that gain attention worldwide. From the word versus between the two concepts, let us dive into comparison and the definition to say if these two concepts are competing each other, since versus are commonly used in competition. Global citizenship refer to the idea that individuals belong to a global community, transcend national borders and identities, shared humanity and universal values, global responsibility and solidarity, cultural exchange and understanding, human rights and social justice. In digital citizenship, this is referred to responsible and ethical use of technology, digital literacy and online etiquette, cybersecurity and protection, online rights and responsibility, digital participation and engagement. So the differences between these two concepts in scope, global citizenship encompasses the world, while digital citizenship limit to online space. Focus emphasize on human rights and social justice and cultural change. Digital citizenship focus on online behavior, digital literacy, and cybersecurity. About boundaries, in global citizenship, transcend national borders, while digital citizenship operates within virtual borders. In skills, global citizenship requires cultural competence, language skills, and adaptability, while in digital citizenship, demand digital literacy and navigate technology. So global citizenship and digital citizenship are not competing each other. However, these two concepts are given equal importance, meaning just like coins, one side for the logo and one side for the hero. So kung mapapas ang isa, so ang isa ka side, so murag imbalance. So global citizenship and digital citizenship, if we will combine each other, that is a perfect recipe for global digital citizens. So global digital citizen is a responsible, ethical citizen leveraging to technology. So global digital citizen understand that we can govern technology for the benefits of all, and global digital citizen, it is a citizen that view the world as an interconnected community. Here are the 5 tenets of global citizenship. First tenet is the personal responsibility. Personal responsibility, this tenet emphasizes the importance of taking ownership of our digital footprints. It is about understanding the consequence of our online action and making conscious choice about what we share and how we interact online. This includes managing our online reputation, protecting our privacy, and using technology responsibly. So, second tenet is a global citizenship. This tenet highlights the need to recognize and respect the diverse perspective and culture that exists online. It is encourage us to engage respectful dialogue, collaborate with others across borders, and use technology to build bridges of understanding and cooperation. The third tenet is the digital citizenship. So this tenet focus on responsible online behavior. It means using technology ethically and respectfully, following digital etiquette, and being mindful of the impact of our online action on others. This include respecting intellectual property, avoiding cyberbullying, and promoting online safety. The next tenet, number 4, is altruistic service. This tenet encourages us to use our digital skills to make positive impact on the world. It is about using technology to help others, whether it is through volunteering, fundraising, or using technology to solve social problems. This includes using technology to promote social justice, environmental sustainability, and humanitarian causes. And the last one is the environmental stewardship. So this tenet remind us that our digital action have an environmental impact. It encourages us to be mindful of our energy consumption when using technology and to consider the environmental impact of our online activities. This includes reducing e-waste, promote sustainability practice, and using technology to address environmental challenge. This tenet of global digital citizenship provide uh, a comprehensive framework for navigating the digital world responsibly. By embracing this tenet, we can become more informed, engaged, and ethical citizen. Uy, ano mali yan? Di man mo. Why we need to be a global digital citizens? In today's interconnected world, the concept of citizenship has expanded beyond national borders. We are not just citizens in our country, but also we are a citizens of the digital realm. This digital citizen demand new understanding of our interconnectedness. Personally, we face daily responsibility of online frauds, identified thieves, and online bullying. So online bullying, identified thieves, and frauds are real threats that we face daily. Being responsible digital citizen means taking steps to protect our data. This includes using strong password, being mindful of what we are shared online, and understanding how to spot and avoid online scam. Globally, technology intertwined as we are, there is also a level of disconnection in our life. While technology has brought us closer together, it has created new divide. The digital world can be place of both connection and disconnection. We need to actively work to bridge this gap and build a more inclusive online community. This means respecting diverse perspectives, engaging in respectful dialogue, and using technology to connect with people from different backgrounds and culture. Altruistically, we have more means to help others. Technology has given us power to connect with people and causes around the world. We can use the power to make a positive impact being a global citizen. Using online presence to raise awareness about important issues, support charitable causes, and volunteer our time and skills to make a difference. Environmentally, we continue to face growing threats such as climate change, resource depletion, industrial pollution, and more. Our online activities have environmental impact. We need to be aware of our carbon footprints and make conscious choice to minimize our environmental impact. This includes reducing energy consumption, choosing sustainable devices, and supporting businesses that prioritize environmental responsibility. 9 elements of digital citizenship. In this hyper-connected world, the concept of citizenship has evolved. We are not just citizens for our country, we are also citizens of the digital realm. This digital citizenship demands a new set of responsibility and a deeper understanding for our interconnectedness. So here are the 9 elements of digital citizenship. Number 1, digital full access belong to respect yourself aspect. So digital access, this fundamental element emphasizes the importance of equitable access to technology and the uh, and the internet for all. Without access, individuals are excluded from the benefits and opportunities of digital world. Second is digital commerce. Digital commerce, uh, with the rise of e-commerce, it is crucial to understand how to navigate the digital marketplace safely and responsibly. This include understanding online transaction, consumer rights, and protecting ourselves from online scam. Number 3 is digital communication. Belong to educate yourself and others. So, digital communication, effective communication is essential in digital age. We need to develop strong digital communication skill, including online etiquette, respectful online interaction, and the ability to discern the credible information from misinformation. Number 4, number 4 is digital literacy. Literacy. Uh, this digital literacy is more than just knowing how to use a computer. It is encompass critical thinking, problem solving, and ability to navigate and create information in digital environment. Number 5 belong to respect yourself and others. So digital etiquette just was a social etiquette
in real life. We need to develop a strong sense of digital etiquette. This includes respecting other online, avoiding cyberbullying, and other appropriate language. Number six is digital law belong to respect yourself and others. So digital law, the digital world is not lawless. We need to understand the legal implication of our online action, including copyright laws, privacy regulation, and the consequence of cybercrime. Number seven is digital rights and responsibility. Uh, as a digital citizen, we have the rights and responsibility. We have the right to privacy, freedom of expression, and access to information. However, this right come with responsibilities such as respecting others' rights and using technology ethically. Number eight is digital health and wellness belong to protect yourself and others. So digital health and wellness, our digital lives has a significant impact of our physical and mental well-being. We need to be mindful of our screen time, practice good digital hygiene, and maintain a healthy balance between our online and offline lives. And the last one is digital security. So protecting ourselves and our data in digital world is paramount. This include using strong password, being cautious about sharing personal information, and understanding the risk of phishing, scam, and other online threats. Lastly, in the digital world, each one of us has the ability to influence and inspire by promoting positive, respectful dialogue and standing against cyberbullying, hate speech, and discrimination. We can create a digital space that reflects the best of humanity. Global digital citizenship is about harnessing the power of technology to build a better world. It is about being proactive, ethical, and inclusive in our digital interaction. Together as responsible digital citizens, we can pave the way for the future where technology is force for good, understanding innovation and progress on a global scale. Thank you for listening and Happy New Year to every one of us. Bye bye.